Hey, welcome back to Passports. Today is Tuesday Travel Tips, and I'm Marlene. And this is how to book 'em, buy 'em, explore 'em, try 'em, warnings and watch, and info to go. Today I'm going to talk to you about getting a good location for your hotel when you're traveling. The large hotel chains are always in the best areas. It doesn't matter if they're the large hotel chains that are popular in Europe or Asia or anywhere you're going to travel, but that's your best bet. Because first of all, those larger hotel chains outside of the United States are super cheap. Like every hotel we've ever gotten, we stay at like a Marriott or an Intercontinental. Those are expensive here. Those are $500, $600 a night in America or more, depending on where you are in America. And you can get them for €100, €80. We got one for €60 in Asia, in Shanghai, and it was beautiful. But the point is that these hotel chains are always located in the best area. Always. They're very close to city center. You can always walk. They're very close to buses or metros if you need to do that. We have never found that we even had to take a bus. Every time we stay at a place, it is walkable to everything. So that's your tip for today. If you want to book your hotel and you want the right location and you're not quite sure where you want to go, stick with one of the larger hotel chains. You're not going to really pay more, at least not more than American prices, and they're going to be in the best locations. We'll see you next Tuesday with another tip.